Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Kao Koshise. So today I am making spinach and kale dal. As you saw in my last video, I got some fresh spinach and kale from the local farm. So now I'm trying to learn and also use up all the ingredients that I got. So let's learn how to make this recipe. So let's learn on what ingredients we need. Here I have soaked half a cup of masoor dal and half a cup of moong dal. I washed and am soaking spinach. I have soaked this kale. As you know, kale can be bitter. So I'm soaking this with salt water and lemon juice. It's actually a funny story. I learned this trick from a friend of mine. We were actually going for a workout, and after workout, she invited me to her house for lunch. So how can I pass up homemade Indian food for lunch? So I went to her house. Her mom had made malai kofta, and on the side they were making karela or bitter gourd. They had soaked it in salt water to get rid of the bitterness, and it worked. Some crushed up green chili, oil, chopped up garlic, cumin coriander powder, red chili powder, cumin seeds, turmeric, and fenugreek seeds. So I will use the Insta pot to make this recipe. So first we will start this on saute. Let it get warmed up a little bit and add the oil. I've added the oil. Now add the cumin seeds and the fenugreek seeds. I will let it heat up. It's heating up. While it's heating up, I'm going to start draining the water from all my ingredients. As you can see, now it's starting to fizzle up and the seeds are getting cooked. So now I'm going to start adding some of my ingredients. First, I'll add my garlic. I'll add the garlic. Let it cook a little bit. Now the garlic has had chance to cook, so I'm gonna add my spinach. I'll add my kale. I'll add my green chili. My turmeric powder, my red chili powder, coriander cumin powder, and I think I forgot to add salt in one of the ingredient lists. So let me get some salt while this is cooking. So I have some salt that I got, and I'll add the salt too. Now I will give it a mix and let the kale and spinach cook a little bit. As you can see, the kale and spinach are getting cooked and it's releasing some water. You don't have to cook this all the way through because it again is going to get cooked with the dal. So now I'm going to add the dal, give it a mix. I know right now it looks like there is more greens than dal, but don't worry. As the spinach and kale cook, it'll get reduced. Now I will add some water. Now, if you like your dal watery, add more water. If you don't like so much water, you don't have to add so much water. Now, I've given it a good mix. I will close it up. Okay. Now I will cancel this saute feature and do a manual cook on high pressure for 4 minutes. 4 minutes. And I'll make sure that my vent is sealed up. And we'll let it cook. So the machine just beeped, so it's done cooking. I'm gonna allow for natural pressure release and just let it be. I'll let it sit here for about 10 more minutes. Okay, so the 10 minutes are up and I'm gonna do the release the pressure and vent it. This is how it looks. And I guess it's time to serve the food. Now you can serve the dal with roti and rice and enjoy. Come back next week and learn more. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.